We should stand like.
So, this is zooming in way too much. There we go. This is the winning car right here. September is going to lose real bad.
No, I'm not.
Let's go.
Ready, move.
Ready, move.
Ready, move. What?
Ooh.
3.
Wait. Turn your car off first. Turn your key off. Turn it off. Wait. Okay. Yeah, like that's good. Alright. Start. Wait, hang on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
Mine started.
Wait. My car not starting up.
It is started. Remember, it turns red.
Okay.
Hey, line up.
So you're going from right next to each other, yeah. Okay. Alright, ready? Mark and go. Smoker made it to the door. Next time you got one. Next time.